Ball game, you know.
James, go and go and use too much iron now there. Big man. James, go and go and use too much iron here. We are take the ball. We don't take the ball. I look for jump on my foot. Secular. Hold up.
Sunday evening ball game, you know. Keeping up, keeping fit. Energy up, you know.
You pass the ball, so you miss the ball, you side the ball. Watch it. I just bet on a turn out of the game.
Right now the rum of the man them now steady, brother. Ball game. Don't drop it. Hold it. More people in the game. Yeah. Losers come out of the game and play a keeping in game. Yo. What's your man there? What, you know? Winners are go and play, you know, and losers come out, you know. Yeah, man. Even if I kick it one time. She says she rather volleyball.
Volleyball is their sport. Again.
She love on the beach, you know.
Come on, leave them now. Come on,
Oh, him still there, alright. Do better now, my general. Show them you have it. Yeah? Yeah?
Come on, you. Ball play right, don't stop. Get me that yeah. Come on, see one more. Yeah, why? I got some classic ball of pass, you know, youth.